Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook. It is pretty easy to do. You just go ahead over to your Instagram app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Tap on it. Down here, as you can see, Account Center. All right, which is actually from Meta. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now on this page, just go ahead and tap on Profiles. All right, tap on it. And then here, as you can see, here's your Instagram profile. And below that, you'll be able to tap on Add Accounts. Just tap on it. And as you can see, Add Facebook Account is available. Just go ahead and tap on it and a web browser will pop up. Just go ahead and put your credentials right here, or Facebook credentials, which I'm going to do right now. As you can see, in the next page, it will ask you if you want to save your login info. If you want to, just go ahead and tap on Save. If not, just tap on Not Now. All right, I'm going to tap on Save right here and wait for it to load. It will ask Continue as this profile or Facebook profile. If yes, just hit on Continue. If this is not the Facebook account, hit on Not You, and it will let you re-log in again and try to put the correct credentials. All right, I'm going to hit on Continue. And as you can see here, it led us back to our Instagram app. And as you can see, in Account Center, our Facebook has been partially added. So what we're going to do is just hit on Continue right here. Continue and allow and finish adding. Wait for it to load. And there you have it. Our Facebook right here is now connected. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.